This is a normal view from my apartment window, which always has hues of yellow, beige, or orange, or any other warm tones just because of this tinted glass. So, capturing the exact essence and textures of my artworks is always tricky, especially when something so special like this take birth. This floral sculptural artworks inspired by Ixora flowers or Techipuva as we call it in Malayalam language was created just recently, a couple of months back. Ever since it was made, I was craving to take it along with me to Kerala and take some beautiful pictures in the natural habitat. Even though I was on holidays, taking these artworks along with me made my days extra special and exciting because I could see these artworks taking life in that extremely beautiful natural greenery. COVID made us realize how grateful we should be to be able to travel like this without any restrictions. Because just a couple of years back, we learned new terms like quarantine, RT-PCR, antigen, etc. etc. Finally, now we are able to travel without any antigen or RT-PCR and travel free without any quarantine. This is exactly what I was craving for all these days: fresh air, greenery, chirping birds, and whatnot. And finally, it was time to unpack my Techipuva and place it in its real nature. It was nothing but pure bliss to see this, my creation and the inspiration behind it in one frame. This is exactly how I had envisioned it. Nature had indeed planned a retreat to rejuvenate ourselves. As always, it was filled with surprises and inspirations to gather and take back. Especially Kerala monsoon never fails to inspire me with such magical creations in nature. These organic patterns in these fungi are the inspiration for me to create this new collection called Mushroom Medleys inspired by turkey tail mushrooms. Even though the artworks were not finished, I took a couple of them along with me, just the textural patterns, so that I could capture this beauty as photos and videos and get more inspiration. Here is a fun part, sharing a sneak peek of my little helper. That you see is the pure joy of getting beautiful captures of these turkey tail mushrooms. From where you get all this inspiration is the most frequently asked questions for my artworks on Instagram. I would say here, living the moment, just opening your eyes and looking around in your surroundings. You can capture all these glimpses of inspiration from everywhere. It is all around you. Just observe it and capture it in your heart and use it in your own interpretation. This is how I captured that beautiful sunflower field. Nature has abundantly blessed my soul, eyes, and heart during these holidays. I have so many inspiration and ideas to take back. It was nothing but pure gratitude when I landed back in yet another terrain with hues of warm shades. And I'm back in my studio to these collected single use plastic bottles and bags getting ready to get transformed.